Hi everyone and welcome back to another trading day. I'm Johan Malan and today I have again 9 potential trade ideas that could boost your trading profits today still. It's Tuesday, 10 October 2023. My first pick of the day is a potential short on the Euro New Zealand. But before we proceed, remember that trading carries risk and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. At the end of this video, I will show you my favorite trade idea for today. So grab your notepad and let's get started. Now back to the Euro New Zealand. I've identified this line here a few days ago and I'm still waiting for some shorts there on any technical reversal up there. If you look at the strength, we've got the Euro and New Zealand showing that the Euro is much weaker than the New Zealand. We've seen over the last week or so New Zealand very strong up there. So I'm waiting for the retest there. Then I will personally wait for some form of a candle reversal. You can use any technical reversal you want. But personally, I created the strategy based on 1 hour reversals on the candles, little double tops or something like that. Then the pound Australia, I mentioned this one for a buy yesterday. If you look at the 1 hour charts, it came back down. Very nice, ran up, saw the hammer candle, that's the one I mentioned, and took the long and failed. Sorry guys, bad trade, lost money on this one. Now moving our direction, but a little bit too late. Then the Australian dollar Swiss, still short from up there. I have 12 to stop loss to this high plus about 10 pips and didn't get hit, so still coming down the page slowly but surely, but quite a frustrating slow moving trade at present. I'm just keeping the trade open. And if I look at the Australian dollar there and Swiss, they're getting very close to each other, so it shows that it's moving into a neutral state. But I got the short. I'm not going to run out of the trade for nothing. I'm not going to give away my position for free, so I'll sit with it. I've got small risk left on it, so we'll just hold on tight. Aussie New Zealand, we got the shorts up there, hitting targets there on the 1 hour chart, still busy with the 4 hour trade. We had the 1 hour trades up there that all hit the 1.27 targets. The 4 hour trades, we got a short there, busy forming another one. We got the support, and now becoming resistance on a nice bearish engulfing on the close of this 4 hour trade. It's definitely legit to do the short. On the 1 hour charts, there was already a bearish engulfing. You can see the trade zone I've identified, the bearish engulfing. So there was your short entry right there on the close, and still trying to do the sweet spot, the halfway mark, just below the halfway mark. This will give us a risk on this one here, about 25 pips, and this one here would be roughly 20 pips. So very nicely positioned with a small stop loss. If we can get a little retracement there, and then targets roughly down here at the bottoms would be a first target for us, coming down to this area here. But if you look at the 4 hour charts, I'll still use this 1.618 FIP. Remember, we still got the 4 hour shorts there. That's still the 1.27. The 1 hour trades, these lows we need to use now to get to some targets on the 1 hour trades. Depends on where I get in. This one stop, as I said, it's about 25, so I need more than this. So I will also move that entry target to the 1.618 FIP on the 4 hour charts. However, if I can get the halfway mark there, that leaves me with a 20 pip. If I can get 30 to 40, and that's about 30-35 pips, I will take some profits off there if I can get that halfway mark trade. This one here, the entry straight on the close, that will be 1.618 FIP that I've mentioned on the 4 hour chart and the swing. We can now slowly but surely move into this swing here and remove these Fibonacci's and say, all right, you know what, for the new entries, nothing wrong with using this last swing now on the Fibonacci. And say, all right, let's do this, and then move all the targets. You can see that 1.27 now is the previous 1.618, and you can push now any new entries to this 1.618. So very nice using Fibonacci's on this for target setting. CAD Swiss, busy breaking. I am looking at this. The CAD is definitely way weaker than the Swiss. I would love to be short here, but a bit of a consolidation here. I need this to reverse here now. So we saw the consolidation, the break. It could be a false break. Now retesting. So I'm holding my thumbs on a 1 hour reversal here. It is testing, so any solid candle reversal on the 1 hour trades would get me to sell short. The New Zealand CAD, New Zealand up there, CAD down there, still my favorite. We had an awesome trade from up here to the targets and the trailing stop losses, but I'm still interested in this support resistance levels here. So when it comes back, you can see the 50 to 61% Fibonacci zone here. So that's why I'm looking still at this. This is for later if that trade idea fails. But for now, this is what I'm looking at on the New Zealand Canadian dollar. USD Swiss, Fibonacci, retracement 61, support, resistance, market structure, very nice. So I'm waiting for the retracement there. If you look at the dollar being very weak, suddenly on the short term, and the Swiss up there showing us I want to be short dollar here. I know the longer term and the larger time frames are dollar bullish, but for the short term, for what we do here with an aim a day or 2 or 3 in a trade, that would be fine. With the war between Palestine and Israel, so we've got this dollar weakening, gold flying up the page, but I'll get to gold later. So I will wait for retracement up there and look for a 1 hour candle reversal. Then getting back to gold, gold gapped up yesterday on the news of the war in Israel against Palestine, and now the gap usually get close. So I'm very nervous for this long trade here because these gaps usually get closed, but you never know when. So for now, I've identified that support, that resistance there, the break, the retest. So now I am waiting for a 1 hour reversal there. If I can get a strong 1 hour reversal, a good solid one, it's also busy making a double bottom. You can see here, if I put on the drawing tool, you can see here the bounce up. If it tested again and it breaks up there, a breakout there would be quite a good confirmation of a potential double bottom at the support level. However, I would like to see a good solid candle reversal rather, and then I will take that trade. But I will be nimble on a small enough position in anticipation of the gap fill. New Zealand US, Fibonacci 61% at this market structure here. Very basic trade. New Zealand US, definitely New Zealand my favorite for more than a week now to be long. So I would wait for the bounce here. Nice 1 hour reversal. Hopefully I can get a trade. Nasdaq, this you can see clearly resistance, support, Fibonacci 50% levels. So this is the area I'm looking for longs based on a weak dollar. The trend has just changed. So I'm after a weak dollar. Is a stock market bullish, and I'm going to wait for a 1 hour reversal here. And my favorite trade setup for today is a long on the Swiss yen. But first, if you are new to this channel and find this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so I can keep making content like this for you. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to ensure you don't miss out on any of my daily trade ideas. But let's get back to my favorite one, the long on the Swiss yen. It is busy testing the level there. You can clearly see a big market structure coming in there, trend just changing bullish, a solid break on the 4 hour chart, now a retracement, Swiss up there, and then the yen busy losing speed, which was expected due to the Bank of Japan buying into their own currency. The rest of the world didn't agree. The strength we saw in the yen was a little bit fabricated. So I was expecting the yen to come down. So now retesting the halfway mark of the white candle. So break and now the retest. So I am interested in a 1 hour reversal of here. Within the next few hours, we could see a candle reversal. If it starts closing below this level on the 1 hour basis and the 4 hour basis, I will then step back from this trade idea. But trading isn't just about my insights, guys. I want to hear from you. Drop your questions, share your experiences, and tell me which trading opportunities you're eyeing in the comments below. I've been trading since 2003. And if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the links in the description to join my mentorship program and open a trading account with a trusted broker, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Don't forget to trade responsibly, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, trade well.